Hello, teachers. Hello, friends. How are you? Hope you're good. And since today is Sunday, and for last couple of days, I have not posted any video in our groups. So, got the free time and try to create a video for you. And today, we'll learn a new function in Google Sheets, that is the array formula. So basically, what happens in array formula? Previously, when I shared the videos, I copied the data using the curly brackets, and that curly brackets tend to the array. Curly brackets are also termed as array and regarded as array. But here, I am going to use full-fledged function of array, that is the array formula. So this array formula, along with I'm going to discuss the data validation to create a drop-down list and filter function with condition to display the content based on the condition selected from the drop-down list. So this is a task. So see here, see here, this is a complete sheet. Uh, this sheet does not have anything except the header, and I wanted to copy, or I wanted to fetch the records from other tab using the array formula. And later I'll create a drop down list using data validation, and by selecting the element from the drop down list, the content related to the particular condition using filter will be displayed in rest of the columns. So first task is to bring the data from different sheet. So in this cell, I'm going to apply array formula. So just zooming in. Array formula, and here I'll have to bring the range from other sheet. So I wanted to fetch the names of these students, and will close the parenthesis and press enter. So see here, the names of students are fetched, and now like this we apply the same formula. Is equal to array formula, and this time I'll select some other column, and the other column is mother's name. So I'm selecting mother's name here and close the right parenthesis here. So this is the column which is having names of mothers. And here I'm going to copy or bring the gender of the student. So here I have a array formula, and this time I'll bring the gender. Close parenthesis. Array formula, and enter. So here this column is gender column, and now I want male and female students to be segregated. So I am taking a gender, uh, making new column gender or drop down list, and name of the student and mother's name, like this. And here I'm going to apply data validation. Data validation, and from here I'll not use list from a range, and I want to make the list of items, customize list of items. So customize list of items, I'll select list of items, and here I'll give male comma female and save it. So this way my drop down list is created. Now here I'll apply the filter formula with condition. So here filter, select the range. So range is, my range is this. I'm not using or including the header. So this is my range, comma. And if somehow or somebody wants, sir, later I'll add more records in the sheet. So what will I do in that case? So I says later, no issue. A2, because I have to apply the condition. So I'll take column C, as column C has gender. So I'm taking C2 to C. C column, I'm not giving the row number or confined or not limiting the row number. Rather, I am using the entire column, and that is why I have left the row number. And after that is equal to, I'll have to write either male or female. So better I select this column from data validation drop down list, and here see here, what is equal to filter A2 to C63 C2. Okay, so I'm going to remove this because in the condition only C I have used, I have not mentioned number of rows. So C2 to C is equal to E3, and as soon as I press enter key, you see mother and student name both are reflected here. And see, male gender is also coming, so we can do one thing. uh, from this list I am omitting C, and in place of C I am using B only. Then see, this time gender column is not there because gender column we are using in drop down list, so there is no need to mention gender column. So this way we have used array formula and data validation, and depending on the drop down list uh, we were able to uh, filter the names of the students as well as their mother names. So this is the use of array formula. Hope you like it, and if you like this concept, kindly comment, and if you face any problem, kindly let me know. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.